Hey guys, it's Miss Allison. We're going to take a look at how to give feedback to your writing today. I'm going to be doing the same, but I want you to be able to reflect and also practice this. And get familiar with the rubric we're going to be using for your paragraph when we're grading it for our summative. So let's take a look here. Our learning target today is I can use the rubric to assess myself and figure out how I want to move my writing forward, And my success criteria is I have identified changes I can make in my writing and I have started to make those changes. So right here, guys, we have our rubric, and it looks a little bit different than normal. You are going to be breaking down your piece of writing that you pick and using this rubric. So the directions read, pick one body paragraph from your essay, and this could be the first one you wrote. I know you've been working on that one. For each part of the rubric, then, you're going to explain why you think your paragraph scored what it did, and finally, you're going to suggest an improvement that can be made. So you're going to read your paragraph and then go through our P, E, and then A, and give yourself a score, okay? So for example, I would read my paragraph, I would look at the criteria and say, okay, maybe my response is a vague point and it's not really fully responding to the prompt. So then I give myself a 2, right? So I'd type that in here. And then I would have to answer these other 2 questions. Why did I give myself this score? Well, I gave myself this score because I do not have all of the points that I need. Perfect. And then I can say I can change by adding more points. Alright guys, so that's the basic idea here. You're going to do that for point, evidence, and analysis, as well as spelling, right, conventions. And you're going to really give yourself some good feedback. So that's going to be the first step. This is, again, what I'll be grading your final piece of writing on in just a few days, so it's really important to use this well to make sure you know what you need to do, okay? Then you're going to go back. Once you've done this, you're going to make changes. So once you have identified the changes you want to make here, or you can make, you're going to go back and make those changes on your on-demand. Alright guys, hopefully that's some pretty easy directions there. Let me know if you need help, and happy writing.